Hi, I'm Josh Wallen with Lincoln Electric Automation. I'm here to talk about the different types of arms that we offer in the Cobot lineup. We're going to talk about the FANUC arms. We have 3 models of FANUC arms available. There's 2 that are a 10 kilogram payload. The main difference between those is one has a 49-inch reach, the other one has a 55-inch reach. Those are generally going to come on a cart. You can get it with an air-cooled torch, water-cooled torch, tooling top. You can also buy those as a separate robot package that you can mount on your own tabletop or wherever you want to mount those. And this model has recently come out. This is the 25 kilogram model. So you can put 25 kilograms of payload on this. But the main difference is this one has a 74-inch reach. So this one's great for structural applications or off-cart applications where you need a longer reach for the arm. And those are the 3 models of FANUC arms that we offer. This is our ABB Cobot. This has a 37-inch reach. This is a very smooth moving arm. It also comes on a cart or without a cart. And this runs our exclusive Cooper app software.